Hello guys, so welcome to Textbook Banking channel. In this video, we are talking about ECGC exam 2025. Okay, now 2nd of December is the last date to apply for this particular paper exam if you want to give it a try. And here are my top 5 reasons why you must definitely try for this particular exam. Right now, it is not to intentionally just convince you that anyhow give this exam, but why, what are the positive reasons why you must definitely try for it, at least though the vacancies are low this year. Okay, now the first reason is a very handsome pay, handsome salary. So this is our basic first motivation. Any job that we are preparing for, any competitive exam we are preparing for to get into a career, particularly banking insurance field, major reason is, and the first reason for almost all of us is very handsome pay. There is financial independence, there is a good pay for fresh graduates just passed out of college. Graduates can earn really well, which is here, as you can see, it is clearly mentioned. This is from your notification, 20 lakh rupees, which is CTC, cost to company, probationary officer. Okay, who will be most likely you will be posted in, of course, metro city only, Mumbai, Delhi. So 20 lakh rupees is good enough. 20 lakh rupees, which will be of also allowances, dearness allowance, house rent allowance, newspaper allowance, medical allowance, transport allowance. Then you will get reimbursements, meal coupons. So it's a lot and lots of benefits, plus 20 lakh rupees, which will be close to more than 1 lakh per month. So first reason is this. If you really want a pay package which is this solid, definitely go for it. It's more than your SBI PO level. Sometimes we underestimate the value of it, but as you grow, once you get into clerk, for example, you will get a job in clerk, you will realize, why didn't I, you will regret, why didn't I try for this? I should have tried. Okay. So it is all about your mindset. If you feel right now also you deserve, and you definitely deserve because you work hard for these exams, they will give you training. Okay, so you will learn in the job, so don't worry. Definitely this can be a major boost and motivation for you. Next, it is a clean job, it's a corporate environment, MNC like culture. So if you want that kind of culture, definitely this is for you. If you talk about their particular what is a job like, how it will be, it is more like corporate MNC type clean job. Next, ECGC is job government status. Of course, government organization, public sector, you have got that government job status with you. There is job security, so you will not be thrown out. So there is, of course, why people prefer government job is because of the security it provides. Even in today's time, if I say, if you compare it with private jobs where there are layoffs happening, people are thrown out before, this is more secure. Like if you check your PO profiles or any government job for that matter, people prefer because of the security it gives you. तो जो आपको ECGC PO में भी मिलेगा, government job है, government status है. Next is work life balance. This is very important. So initially we don't think about it a lot, but later we realize even there are POs who have quit because of the work pressure they face in branches. They go for work and then it's a full, not 9 to 5, it's exactly late till evening. They have to work sometimes in the night, sometimes they are called even during weekends. Okay, तो ये कहीं ना कहीं हम एक balance after certain time age we try to find a balance. तो अगर आपको वैसा वाला प्रोफाइल पसंद नहीं जहाँ प्रेशर बहुत है, बहुत सारा आपको चीजें हैंडल करनी है, and you want balance in life where you can give time to family also. Usually girls prefer that they are able to give time to their family, they want something like that, then definitely go for ECG because the work pressure is compared. I've done one video, right, comparing IBPS PO, SBI PO and ECGC PO. So you will see the here, if you compare the lowest in PO profile, the lowest work pressure you'll find here, you'll get time for yourself. There are 5 days working, Monday to Friday, Saturday, Sunday is off, and the working hours also are limited. So definitely work-life balance. If you need, if you prioritize, go for ECGCPO. Definitely try for this. Next is unique job profile. So if you see, it's one niche profile, right? It's not like as a bank PO you handle a variety of tasks, but here if it will be specialized area, for example export credit insurance, it will be risk assessment, underwriting, international trade. So you know that the responsibilities within the finance and insurance sector, what all you will be handling. The profile is very unique, but you will be given training, do not worry. And you, if you are keen, if you are interested to work in this particular sector, the finance and insurance sector, definitely this is for you. Okay, then you have preparation synergy. All the syllabus is same, guys. If you look at PO, bank, clerk, full syllabus is same, so you do not have to do anything extra. If you are actually writing PO mains, RRB PO, SBI PO mains, IBPS PO mains, then prepare for this. Level will be PO mains level, syllabus nothing extra, so you don't have to work or prepare anything new concepts are not there. आपको वही प्रिपरेशन करनी है जो आप पीओ मेंस के लिए करते हैं, ईसीजीसी पीओ के लिए. तो व्हाई नॉट, अगर आपको सेम प्रिपरेशन में एक और अपॉर्चुनिटी ऐड हो रही है लिस्ट में बाकी एग्जाम्स के, तो व्हाई नॉट, डेफिनेटली गिव इट अ ट्राई. ठीक है, तो अगर हम लॉन्ग टर्म सोचते हैं, ये आपके रीजंस हो सकते हैं जिसके लिए मुझे लगता है कि आपको डेफिनेटली ट्राई करना चाहिए ईसीजीसी पीओ का. I'm not forcing, because some people will still look into vacancies that it's not there. I don't want to try. Some will definitely give it a try. So if you are, definitely do moderate to difficult level preparation for each topic, and we are going to cover topic wise sessions are there in the batch. We are going to cover everything including your descriptive part. तो इसमें डिस्क्रिप्टिव भी आता है, सिंपल डिस्क्रिप्टिव राइटिंग होता है, सिंगल पेपर. सो आई विल बी कवरिंग डिस्क्रिप्टिव आल्सो इन द कोर्स. वी हैव ऑलरेडी स्टार्टेड विद ईसीजीसी पीओ क्लासेस. डू नॉट मिस. ओके, दिस इज इंक्लूडिंग इन योर सुपर पास, इंक्लूडेड इन योर सुपर पास. तो आपको पता है कि टेक्स्ट बुक पे कोई भी इंडिविजुअल कोर्सेज नहीं होते हैं. कोड है हर्षिता, आपको एक सुपर पास लेना है, इसी में आपकी सारी क्लासेस, रिकॉर्डेड लाइव वीडियोस और पास प्रो मैक्स इंक्लूडेड होगा, मॉक्स सब इंक्लूडेड होंगे. सो डू चेक दिस आउट. इफ यू सी, you will find the link below the video of all my courses. Okay, here super pass link, if you click on, you will get the option to enroll. Go to apply coupon, use my code Harshita, HARSHITA. So this is the code you have to apply, code Harshita, you'll get maximum off. ठीक है, तो ये 12 months, 3 months, one trial pack for a few days. You can check all, right? All the courses, even RRBPO mains classes, ECGCPO, everything is included here. Okay, you can also follow me on Telegram for more updates. Harshita Ma'am Textbook. You will get my Telegram link also in the video below, in the video description part. So we have lagbhag kitna hai? We have almost approximate 40 days for ECGCPO. Let's give our 110% for all those who are interested. Any queries, let me know in the comments below. Thank you.